Last time on Sailing Avalon, we took you around the British Virgin Islands. Join us this week as we meet Avalon for the very first time in France.
I finally got to La Rochelle. 2 Ubers, a taxi, 2 trains, and a plane, and I'm here. Can't wait to see the new boat. Tomorrow the dealer's supposed to take me to the factory to take some pictures of it. After that, tour of the factory the following week, and then Avalon is transported to the port for masting and splash. I'm looking forward to it. The marina in La Rochelle is quite large. I think it's one of the largest in all of France. You can see the amount of masts just from the sailboats. It's a lot. And in the background you see the old fort and church, which is difficult to see from here. But as I pan, you'll see the masts just continue and continue and continue. I'll show you an aerial view so you can get a feeling for how large this marina actually is. And then there's the Old Town Marina that's just around the corner that continues on. I'm just leaving the dock, and the temperature today is around 50 degrees. Sun's out, it's beautiful. So this is the first day that in the morning it has actually been sunny and beautiful. Leaving the apartment and heading to the port where all the new Sayonas are put when they mast them. So the apartment complex is very nice, it's very convenient. It's about a 10-minute walk to the port. And there's a shortcut if you cut through the university. So that's the way I'm going. It's actually a more modern building. University is literally across the street though, so they cater to the university students. So nice view. I have the courtyard view. I thought I was getting this view. Which is of the lake, but it is what it is. It's fine. Take a look at the tide. La Rochelle is known for having a 20 to 25 foot tide. So right now, I'm guessing it's at the low or moving to low. Just to the marina where they keep all the boats, there's a lock. And right now the bridge is actually under construction. So you see the Ferris wheel in the distance. Right there is actually the lock. And they equalize it prior to letting the boats out. Everything here is on floating docks. You see the modern houses in the background, or apartments in the background, and then right across the way is the historic city with the fort and the old town. It's a beautiful city here. I'm glad I'm getting the opportunity to see my boat and also experience La Rochelle. As you walk around, this old fort used to be a jail, and it was turned over several times. And when you go up inside of it, there's actually carvings in the wall from the jail, the people that were locked up for years and years. It's a beautiful fort and also an interesting tour if you get a chance to do it while you're in La Rochelle. Last time we were here, there were bars in this area, and it looks like we've moved to street art and graffiti. So there was actually a whole sitting area, and that might be what they do during the summertime. It's been a whole season, actually a whole year and a half since we've been here. So it's changed quite a bit, and there's no bars to be seen here. This marina is also protected by a lock, so you can see the water level right there, and then you see the water level right here. It's a huge delta. I would say off the top of my head, I don't think it's full low tide, but it looks like at least 15 to 20 feet. All these boats look like they're waiting for the lock to open so they can get out of here. This marina area is actually a lock area, so it'll be interesting to see and go through the lock. Looks like there's a Neil, which is probably about 30 feet wide, a Lagoon 46, which I'm guessing is like 25 feet wide or so, a Lucia and an Elba all waiting, and a small little power boat. So quite a few boats waiting. And in the distance there's another Fountain Peugeot. Can't make it out yet. So see how they go through. This guy almost hit the bridge. He's so close, you hear him put it in reverse real quick and slide the boat sideways. Couldn't wait. I would have thought he would have waited. Now the bridge is almost straight up, so the rest of the boats will come through. So here comes the Elba 45. And the Astria 32. Now the fat meal comes through. Yeah, this one fits. It's pretty close. I think it's got about 10 feet on each side, maybe.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.